Children, now we will see the data type versus data structure. So, data type means what? It defines a set of values along with well defined operations stating its input output behavior. Example, suppose you cannot put decimal point in an integer, or you cannot you cannot add two or multiply. You can add two strings, but you cannot multiply two strings. This is not possible. So data types are defined set of values, whereas when you come to data structure, it's again a physical implementation. That means you have to make this physical implementation by means of a programming. That's all. That clearly defines a way of storing, accessing, manipulating data. How it has to be stored and accessed and manipulated will be declared, will be defined. It's in the data structure. So, and when you see the data stored, see the data stored in a data structure has a specific work pattern. We'll be seeing later on by one. In terms of programming, first it is given in terms of theory. We are not going to concentrate much on theory, only programming will be asked in this chapter. But somewhere, sometimes, maybe definitions will be asked. Example, in a stack, we'll be learning what is stack. Okay, for best example, think of your mother's, kitchen. In that, cooker idli plates, how it is arranged on one by one. So the last, if you wanted to take the last plate, what you have to take, what you have to do, you have to remove one by one the plates, then only the last plate can be taken. That means what? So all the insertion and deletion. Suppose I'm adding new plates. Suppose your idli stand consisting of 6 plates. One by one you have to keep on it. Okay, so new insertion is happening only on the top of the spindle, or the idli plate spindle. Okay, if you when you are after boiling, when you are taking also, you have to take from 1 2 3 like that. If you wanted to take the bottom plate, you have to go from top to bottom. So this is a technique. Likewise, the data arranged in this one particular data structure has a rule for accessing. That is what is expressed in this paragraph. Okay, now in Python, we have a list as a collection of data types which can store heterogeneous types of elements. But when we implement list as a data structure, its behavior is clearly predicted. So pre-decided. How it is pre-decided? That example, it will store all elements of same data type. But we learned list data type can hold different data type elements, but when it comes as a data structure, here it is very important, you can have a note of it. It will store all elements of same type. For searching, list elements will be pre-sorted and so forth. See, for searching, suppose you are going to search, see, think of an array here. See, you have an array, you are going to find one particular element is existing in that list or array or not. What you will be doing, you will be going for searching. So in that, what we have to do is list elements will be pre-sorted and so forth. Pre-sorted means what? When you are inputting the elements itself, you can just give the sorted array either in ascending or descending order. This is what is the major difference between your data types and data structures.